Good afternoon, English literature student. This lecture is specially meant for BA Part 1, um, Paper 1, and especially for Rajasthan University students. So, as I'm continued with your As You Like It by Shakespeare, the romantic comedy and pastoral comedy. So, today I shall be discussing that how As You Like It, you consider it as a romantic comedy, and the next lecture will be As You Like It as a pastoral comedy. So you have to go through the note. As You Like It is Shakespeare's happiest comedy. Characteristically, it is both romantic and pastoral. So this particular lecture focuses on romantic comedy. In the play, there is no intense suffering. No one suffers intensely. It has no tragic element. It is full of comic and lively spirit. Characters like Touchstone and Jakes, the fools, who make the whole play very, what you say, comical and witty also. So, without any indirect intention, they provide the best of comic elements to the play. So, first of all, as a romantic comedy, once all the major characters are in the forest of Arden, the forest is full of fresh air, there is no regulation, there is no duty. Duke Senior is in no court, he is no courtly duke, as already he is being banished. Okay, his kingdom is being usurped by his brother, but he still is a friend to other attending lords, as we find in various scenes how he helps Orlando, how he helps others. So, unlimited freedom allows everyone to hold on to a romantic spirit. Before entering into the forest, Orlando was already in love with Rosalind. So, Touchstone finds Audrey. Oliver also falls for Celia at the very first sight. So, Sylvius truly loves Phoebe. So, these are so many, what you say, love affairs taking place here. Rosalind and Celia love each other as sisters. They are much more than sisters. You find so much of love of what you say, Rosalind's love for father also. You find brotherly love also. So there are so many cases of love. Hence, the whole plot of the play innocently progresses away from the falsehood of the world and torments of society. There is no hierarchy here. All are courtly characters, but no one has characteristics, courtly characteristics. Envy, no one is having courtly envy, no one is having ambition, courtly ambition. So even you see how much, what you say, refinement in Oliver, Oliver, who in the beginning hated his brother Orlando in the beginning, but later on his attitude also changes towards his brother. Okay, because how it changes? Because Orlando very selflessly saves his brother Oliver from a lioness. So, in the wilderness of the forest of Arden, of all human passion, only love remains. So, in this play, romance and comedy they go hand in hand. The comic effect is created by Touchstone, Jakes, and Rosalind. Rosalind and Orlando's love story deals with happy love. Their courting period in the forest is full of wild passion and joy. The love episodes of Celia, Oliver, Sylvius Phoebe, and Audrey Touchstone have their own charm and surprises. Romance is the framework of the play on which all actions happen. There are many scenes where we find romance in the air as love songs are hung and spread throughout the forest. That is Orlando's love for Rosalind, which you will find very interesting. It's a kind of romance that begins at first sight. How the play ends. By the end of the play, fifth act, last scene, you will find near around, so many marriages take place. Okay. So the play ends in a very good mood. Okay. There's mirth and merry and joy. So tomorrow I shall continue with the pastoral comedy. Thank you for your patience, students. Thank you so much.